Getting yourself to work out is a huge work in itself. Add cleaning and disinfecting to that mix and you will have a daunting task. A task no one wants to do. Well, as daunting as it may seem, we must reaffirm the importance of cleaning your workout equipment. While you sweat it out in the gym, you are sweating on your workout gear, contaminating every piece of equipment you touch and the floor too. If the same gym is shared, then you have more worries as you are exposed to germs from everyone who uses the gym. 1. Clean out your yoga mat. Does your yoga mat come in when you want to clean and disinfect workout gear? These mats come in handy for all the bending and stretching in the gym, but they can also pose a serious threat to your health if left dirty. Remember, sweat droplets get into the mat as you sweat it out at the gym. You don't want your happy place to become a home to germs, bacteria, viruses, and fungi. 2. Wash your workout clothes ASAP. What is the first thing you do when you get back from the gym? There is no prize for guessing. It must be to take off your gym wear. That's normal. But our concern is with what you do with them after taking them off. Throw them in the pile of dirty clothes. Dump them somewhere until the next workout session. Or wash and dry them properly. If you are not doing the last option, we are here to remind you that you are exposing yourself to a plethora of health risks. Don't dump, wash. 3. Don't forget your shoes. For some people, washing gym wear is a no-brainer. However, they forget it is important to clean their shoes too. Just like your workout clothes, your shoes have been exposed to sweat and germs from the gym. It is not healthy to dump them until your next session. You can quickly clean them with a wipe and dry them properly. This will also keep them from developing an unpleasant smell. 4. Your exercise machines contain more germs than you can imagine. You will agree that your exercise machines are the commonly touched surfaces in your gym. This makes them home to billions of germs. After each sweat session, it is advisable to clean and disinfect each gym equipment you use. This will eliminate the likelihood of germs nesting in your gym. Relax, you do not necessarily need a thorough clean. A simple wipe will do. 5. Dumbbells and weights should be thoroughly cleaned too. Besides your treadmill and other equipment, you cannot thoroughly clean and disinfect your workout gear without cleaning your weights and dumbbells. Like other workout tools, these dumbbells come in direct contact with your sweaty palms, leaving behind a host of germs on each weight you use. To keep out these germs, you can simply clean after every sweat session. This will keep your gym clean and the dumbbells safe for other users. Bonus tip: germs spread fast in gyms. That said, let's turn to the big elephant in the room, your gym floor. Do you know you have more contact with your gym floor than any equipment in the gym? For example, you do not necessarily have to use all the equipment and dumbbells in each sweat session. But you inevitably have to come in contact with the floor every single session. That is why we stress regularly cleaning and disinfecting your gym floor. As a matter of fact, the spread of germs and viruses increases with the number of people who use the gym. Protect yourself. Staying fit is impressive, but staying healthy is even more important. As you fight to stay in good shape, remember to protect your health by cleaning and disinfecting your workout gear. Want more tips? Check out our previous video on 5 psychological benefits of a clean home. Also, let us know your views and comments in the comment section below. Why don't you consider the help of trained cleaning professionals, the ones that work at FastKlean? Our company can help you deal with all aspects of cleaning. Simply call 0208 8849 or visit fastklean.co.uk. Sign up for our masterclasses and learn how to create a toxin-free environment at home or any business premises. Watch our other videos and learn more eco-friendly cleaning tips. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Thank you for watching. Until next time.